Hello everybody, today we're going to solve the integral of sine x over 1 plus cos x power 2 dx from 0 to pi. First step, let's define u is cos x. Therefore, we have a du over dx is negative sine x, or dx is negative du over sine x. On the other hand, 1 plus cos power 2x will be 1 plus u power 2. We also need to take care the range, so let's change it also. This is original x, this is u. When x is 0, okay, we have cos 0 equals to u, which is 1. On the other hand, when x is pi, we have cos pi, which is negative 1. So we have all the information we need here, here, and here. Let's put inside the original equation. It becomes integral 1 to negative 1 sine x over 1 plus u power 2 multiply du over negative sine x. So here a few things we need to do. The sine x can be cancelled. The negative will be cancelled after we swap the 1 and negative 1. So which means now we have an integral negative 1 to 1 over 1 plus u square du. This is a very nice integral because the answer is tangent inverse. I demonstrated before in my previous video. You can see my previous video for detail. So here the integral will be tangent inverse of u negative 1 to 1, which is tangent inverse of 1 minus tangent inverse of negative 1. Now we know tangent pi over 4 equals to 1, and we also know tangent negative pi over 4 equals to negative 1. So therefore, the inverse of it is pi over 4 minus negative pi over 4, which is pi over 2. So conclusion, this is the final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification button